show you how to create a radial gradient mask in the Lightroom app. First we have to open up the app. Here it opens up like this. From here we just go into the masking tool, which is this one on the right side. Then we click on create new mask, and here we have a radial gradient. Click on this, and then we can draw an oval or a circular shape to fit our gradient. And here we can set the inner and the outer parts as well, like this. Maybe decrease the inner. And now if we can play around like this. That's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.